Okay, so we're going to do a couple other examples now where we are dealing with parentheses. So when you have parentheses, for example, here in A, 7 parentheses 1 minus 3m, this operation between here when it's not written, that's multiplication. So I need to multiply everything inside the parentheses by 7. This is called the distributive property. So I need to do 7 times 1 and 7 times negative 3m. So I need to distribute that through their parentheses. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. This negative 4 plus is just going to come out in front because remember, order of operations multiplication comes before addition. So I cannot combine this negative 4 plus 7. I need to do this multiplication first. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I have negative 4 plus 7 times 1 is 7. And 7 times negative 3m is negative 21m. Okay, so now I've simplified it and gotten rid of all my parentheses. So I need to now combine like terms. And the only like terms I have are these two numbers without a variable. And again, you take the sign in front of the number. So this is a negative 4 plus 7. And that is 3. And then just bring down the negative 21m. Okay. If you're asked to write it in descending order, that means put the variable first and then the number. All you need to do is just remember the sign is in front. So the negative sign goes with the 21m. So I'm going to write that first, negative 21m. And then this is a positive 3. So either one of those is correct. Just if you're asked to write it in descending order, that's how you would write it. Okay, so let's look at B. This one is the same idea except there's no number written right here. It's negative 2n minus parentheses 9 minus 10n. So you can think of it two ways. Either you need to distribute the negative sign through the parentheses, which means change the signs, or this is the same thing as saying a negative 1. See if I can write this. Okay, so I need to distribute a negative 1 through the parentheses. So again, I'm just changing the sign. So negative 2n, negative 1 times 9 is negative 9. And negative 1 times negative 10n, remember a negative times a negative is a positive, so positive 10n. I've now gotten rid of the parentheses and I can combine my like terms. So my like terms here are the ones with the n's. So I have a negative 2n and a positive 10n. And when you combine those, you get 8n, and then just bring down the minus 9. Okay, and then this last one we have two sets of parentheses, which means I need to distribute twice. The first one I needed to distribute negative 9 through the parentheses, and then I need to come over here and distribute a positive 6 through this parentheses. So I'm going to do both of those. So negative 9 times 6m is negative 54m, and negative 9 times negative 3 is a positive 27. And now I'm going to distribute the 6. 6 times 1 is a positive 6, and 6 times 4m is a positive 24m. Okay, so we've now gotten rid of all the parentheses. Let's look at our like terms. So let's start with the m terms since I'm going to write in descending order. So I have a negative 54m and a positive 24m. So if I combine those two, they equal a negative 30m. And now I'm going to go and look at my next like terms, which are these two numbers. So I'm going to underline them twice to show them. So it's a positive 27 and a positive 6. And those two add to be a positive 33. And that is in simplest form, so that's our answer.